Okay, and so some of these look a little bit intimidating just because they got a bunch of letters or variables and not numbers. Recognize that each of these variables is just a number. We don't know what number, but it's just a number, so it behaves just like a number. And so we're supposed to solve for w. What's important to understand about this kind of thing is that kx there in the bottom, we can consider it to be one term because the k and the x are being multiplied. So it's like 5 times 4, if k was 5 and x was 4, would make 20. The k and the x can be kept together throughout this process because they are being multiplied by each other. And so to kind of show that, I'm going to put parentheses around the k and the x and say, hey, these two things are stuck together. They are not going to get separated as we work through this. So the w is being divided by the k and the x. So what we're going to do is multiply both sides by kx. So on the left, what's going to happen is that the kx that we're multiplying by is going to divide out evenly, or some people like to use the word cancel. I don't like the word cancel. It's going to divide evenly with the kx in the denominator. And that's going to leave us with w equals y times k times x. It's exactly like the one we just did. Let's try another. We got 4lw equals v. So 4lw equals v. Now, and again, it's important to recognize that the 4 is being multiplied by the l and being multiplied by the w. So those are all one term, and so we can take any piece of them, any piece of that out at once. And so I want to have the L alone on the left, so we're going to divide by 4W, which is going to, one moment, which is going to divide out evenly with the 4 and the W in the numerator. Again, some people like to use the word cancel. I don't like that word because that's not really what's happening. They're dividing out evenly. And we're left with V over 4W. Okay, and so we have K is equal to 4YZ. We want to solve for Y. And so we're going to divide by 4Z. And on the right side, the 4 is going to divide out evenly, and Z is going to divide out evenly, leaving Y. So we've got K over 4Z equals Y. And we'll do one more. We'll look for a division one that's not KX in the denominator. There we go. So we have V over LW is equal to H. We're supposed to solve for V. So again, that LW in the denominator is together. We're going to multiply both sides by LW. And so the LW here is going to divide evenly with the LW there. Going to leave us with V is equal to HLW. Okay.